This is your quick start guide to Finasteride, who it's for and how to use it. Finasteride is a medication primarily used to treat male pattern baldness. It works to decrease the amount of DHT that your body produces, which is one of the primary causes of hair loss on your scalp. When it comes to dosage, you should always ask your GP. The usual recommended dose is about 1 milligram per day, but this can differ depending on your prescription. So how long should it take before you notice a real difference in your hair? For hair loss, it takes 3 to 6 months for you to really notice your hair growing back. That's based on consistent daily usage and adherence to the guidelines that you've been given. When you take Finasteride is also very important. It's usually taken once a day with or without food, but it is important that you take it at the same time every day. This will help you maintain an even level of the medication in your body and help you avoid some of the side effects. But how long will Finasteride stay in your system? So this differs depending on how old you are. For younger men, the half-life is usually 5 to 6 hours, but the half-life for somebody a little bit older is looking more like 8 hours. This means it will be in your system for 1 to 2 days depending on your age, but should be totally cleared after a couple of days. How long after stopping taking Finasteride will you notice the hair that you've regrown falling out again? If you stop taking the medication, the hair you've gained or maintained will fall out in 9 to 12 months. This is why it's really important to keep taking the medication to maintain its benefits. But how can you get hold of Finasteride? As we know, Finasteride is a prescription medication, meaning you'll have to go and see your GP so they can write up a prescription for you. Alternatively, you can check out our website where you can fill in a form from home, online, and our pharmacy team is on hand as ever to help you out. You'll get the benefit of their experience and our next day delivery so you can start your course of treatment from tomorrow.